Oh dear, here we go again. Morning breakfast in front of a crowd of human beings. We're thrown a few bits of fruit, apples, pears, bananas. While we're munching them, the humans are watching us. When we're finished, the humans all applaud. It doesn't take much to amuse them, does it? My dear boy, these humans have nothing better to do on a Sunday than to come and watch us animals. And anyway, we're cheaper to come to watch than going to the Olympics. Give them their money's worth and go and get that apple out of the water. There's a good boy.